Hello friends, my name is Archana and welcome to my YouTube channel named Stars Reborn. As we all know, when we were children, our lives were much colorful and much exuberant than now. How can we make our life much colorful and much exuberant now also? I'm just going to share some techniques with you. This is an ancient wisdom. Many times we listen about law of attraction, quantum field, quantum physics, energy field, fourth state of matter. This is all about it. These techniques are very, very simple, but they are powerful. There is a possibility by using these techniques, we can enhance the capability and capacity of our lives. Many of us know in ancient times, many ancient cultures used triangular shapes to preserve their non-physical and physical things. Now also we will be using few triangular shapes. In my coming videos, you will be seeing that we are using those few techniques. This is my whiteboard. First of all, we have to write down the manifestation time, that is 11:11. Why 11:11 time? One here, one here, one here, and one here. From all four corners of the word, I want to be number 1. Then we have to make one triangular shape. Why this triangular shape? Because it has got less angles. In many ancient cultures, people used to preserve their physical and non-physical things in triangles. Then again we have to draw one more triangular shape into it. This is a male energy which is going upward. This is the female energy. This is the male energy and this triangle represents the female energy. Then we have to draw circular shapes in these triangles. First of all, we have to write down protection. Protection for what I have and what I want. First of all, this protection, we have to fill it clockwise direction always. Protection, 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 protection. It's done. Then what I have, whether in form of physical or non-physical forms, whatever I have in bank balance, in form of our house, our businesses, our jobs, our kids, our relationships, our family, our environment, whatever I have that needs protection. Clockwise direction, clockwise direction. Third one, I want. Whatever I want in physical or non-physical form, whatever मैं जो चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ, that has to be protected. Again clockwise I am filling it. Then my name here. Then again I have to fill clockwise for all I have done or I want to do, that has to be protected. This you can say this is your past, this is your present, this is your future. This is called Triforce. Tridev or Trideviyan, whatever you feel like. And this can be your power, the first one. The second one is your wisdom and the courage to have a good future. This is all we need. Very simple. Again, the past, the protection, the power, all fill. Then the I have, the present, and my wisdom. I want my future and my courage to have all these things. And this is my name and this is Triforce. This is simple thing we have to do. After completing this, we have to write it down. So be it. 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 Then we can erase it. It's complete. Today's whiteboard work is complete. Please like, subscribe and share my video. In my coming videos, I'll be showing you more interesting and very simple techniques, and thanks for watching it.